welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build Meowth and Persian. I'm going to build Meowth. This Meowth build is just like my Sandshrew build, but yeah, so the pieces you'll need for Meowth is one 1x1 plate, one 1x1 stud, one 1x2 plate, and a cheese float. So what you do is you get your 1x2 plate, you get your stud, put it on the bottom like that. Then you get your plate, your 1x1 plate, put it on like that. Then you get your cheese float, put it right here on top of that. And that is how you build Meowth. We're going to be building Persian. What you'll need for Persian is one or two 1x2 flat plates, one 1x3 plate, a headlight brick, one 1x1 brick, or actually two 1x1 bricks, two 1x2 plates, two 1x1 plates, one 1x1 plate, and a jumper plate. So what you do first is you get your jumper plate right here, then you get your headlight brick and you put it on like that. And then you get your 1x1 flat plate, and then you just put it on like that. Then you get one of your flat plates, and then you put it right here like this. And you put that down, you get one of your bricks and one of your plates, and then you just put that like this for one of the legs. And then you get your 1x3 plate right here. You get your Persian head, you put it on like that. Then you get your other plate, and then you put it on. You might need to take the head off to do this. Put the plate in the middle like that. Then you get your Persian head, and then you put it on like that for like the little part right here. And then you get one of your plates, put it on like that. Then you get your flat plate, and then you put it on right here. Then you get your other plate, and you put it on like that. Then you get your 1x1 brick with the plate on it, and you put it on like that. And then you get your other brick, you put it on right there. Wait, actually you put it on right here for like the other leg of Persian. And that is how you build Persian. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, hit the bell, and hopefully check out my next video.